Welcome to Top 5 Best Picks. The best folding rollator is probably one of the most versatile and convenient mobility aids available today, offering a perfect blend of support, comfort, and portability for seniors and individuals with mobility challenges. This video will guide you through the essential features and considerations to help you choose the ideal folding rollator walker with a seat that best suits your specific needs and preferences, ensuring safe and comfortable mobility. Number 5. Healconnex Rollator Walker. This rollator walker is designed with an adjustable height to fit various users, providing stability and confidence for the elderly or those recovering from injury. The padded seat and backrest offer comfort and support during rests. Its large 8-inch wheels roll smoothly over different surfaces, and the 360-degree swivel wheels enhance maneuverability. Despite its lightweight design, it supports users up to 300 pounds. It features a dual braking system for safety and easy operation. The compact design allows it to fold easily for convenient storage and transport. A removable shopping bag and cane holder keep your hands free, making errands easier. No more struggling with carrying items. It has a sturdy aluminum frame and a weight capacity of 300 pounds. We offer a 2-year warranty and 24/7 customer support. What we like? It offers an adjustable handle to perfectly fit your height, and large wheels provide a smooth ride on various terrains. Its easy folding mechanism makes it perfect for storage and transport. If you need a versatile rollator that's easy to adjust and transport, this is the one for you. What people say. The rollator is very sturdy and very light. It is very easy to lift into the cargo area of my Acadia. It is very sturdy and she is able to sit down when she gets tired. It has been a relief for her to find something she can lift on her own, giving her some more independence. The wheels are larger and they handle any bumps or doorways with ease. My mom wants to have a walker with a seat in case she feels the need to sit down quickly, and this has a seat that is large enough to feel secure to her. Number 4. Standard Wonder Rollator. This innovative rollator is designed for easy portability and reliable support. Its compact design makes it perfect for travel and storage. It folds 3 times smaller than other rollators, saving valuable space. You can easily store it in your car or closet. The built-in seat provides a convenient place to rest. It's sturdy enough to support up to 250 pounds. No assembly is required, it comes fully assembled and ready to go. Simply adjust the handles to your height and start using it. Its 6-inch wheels provide stability and security, whether you're indoors or outdoors. The rear locking brakes give you added control. It offers reliable balance and support, helping you walk with confidence. It's ideal for seniors and adults with limited mobility. What we like? This rollator folds incredibly small, making it ideal for travel or small spaces. It's also lightweight and comes pre-assembled, saving you time and effort. If you value portability and convenience above all else, this is your best option. What people say. Adjustable handles is easy to do, no wrench or screwdriver needed, and I have arthritic hands. The grab to fold it up is easy on my hands too, wide enough for more than 2 fingers. Rolls smoothly even over transom and easy to lift up curbs. Because of its compactness, it is easier to get in and out of my car than my other one because I can keep it closer to my body and I have more room in the back for another one and stuff too. It closes easily by pushing the handle slightly inward then pulling the seat pads up with the built-in pull handle. Use the attached snap closure to keep it securely folded. It opens easily by unsnapping the latch, allowing the fold to relax, then pushing the seat pads downward. Number 3. Medline Empower Rollator Walker. This walker is designed for your comfort and safety. It's built to support you and your belongings, providing stability and ease of use. It supports up to 300 pounds, making it sturdy and reliable. The lightweight aluminum frame folds flat for easy storage and transport. The ergonomic handles are easy to grip, even for those with limited dexterity. They provide secure braking and locking functionality. The comfortable memory foam seat and backrest are adjustable to fit your needs. You can easily flip the backrest for sitting on either side. It includes a handy cup holder and tray organizer for your personal items. Enjoy smooth rides on any terrain with its large 8-inch wheels. The large 8-inch wheels roll smoothly, whether you're indoors or outdoors. It provides a stable and comfortable ride on various surfaces. What we like? The memory foam seat provides superior comfort, while adjustable features ensure a personalized fit. Its durable frame ensures long-lasting use. If comfort and adjustability are your priorities, this rollator is a great choice. What people say. The frame, seat, wheels, and brake handles are all well built and sturdy. No worries of anything bending or snapping. It has 8 wheels, which is night and day compared to the old walker that had 6 wheels. They are a softish rubber. The walker is quiet on tile and the rubber wheels don't pick up pebbles or dirt from outdoors. The brakes work great. I think because of the 8 wheels it has more grip when you apply the brakes. Even on dirt, my fiancé has much better control going down slight inclines because the brakes actually help in control. Number 2. Drive Nitro Rollator Walker. This innovative walker combines larger wheels and advanced features for a safe and smooth experience. It's perfect for seniors and adults who value comfort and maneuverability. Its large 10-inch front casters effortlessly glide over curbs and uneven terrain, providing optimal maneuverability. Navigate any environment with ease. It features push-button height adjustment for the handles and a tool-free thumb screw for the backrest. Customize it to your perfect fit. This walker folds compactly with just one hand, thanks to a convenient under-seat locking mechanism. It's easy to transport and store. A removable zippered storage bag securely holds your personal belongings or shopping items. Everything you need is right at hand. What we like. Its large wheels conquer any terrain with ease, while the easy one-hand fold makes storage a breeze. The adjustable height ensures a comfortable and personalized fit. If you prioritize smooth movement and effortless portability, this is the rollator for you. What people say. Larger, sturdier wheels that cover rough terrain when needed. No assembly when purchased through Amazon. Folds up smoothly and evenly and flatter than the ones that fold the wrong way. Flatter folding makes it so much quicker and it's easier to fit in back seat of a car. Number 1. Medline Steel Rollator Walker. It weighs only 19 pounds but can support up to 300 pounds. This makes it easy to maneuver and provides reliable support. The height of the handles can be adjusted between 31 and 35 inches, ensuring a perfect fit. Plus, it features a padded seat and backrest for added comfort. The ergonomic brake handles are easy to grip and use. Simply push up to brake and push down to lock the wheels. It folds down easily for simple storage and transportation. This makes it perfect for travel or storage in small spaces. With 6-inch wheels, it rolls smoothly indoors and outdoors. Enjoy a comfortable ride, no matter the surface. This rollator is designed for safety and stability. It provides the support you need to maintain your mobility and independence. What we like. This rollator boasts a lightweight yet sturdy steel frame, offering both durability and ease of use. The adjustable handle and seat height ensure a comfortable fit for various users. If you're looking for a reliable and adjustable rollator without compromising on durability, this is a great option. What people say. Very sturdy walker, much better than most. It has a very good locking brake. It is easy to push, so she is walking more and faster than ever before. She feels very confident and steady while walking now. The hand brakes are perfect for when she joins others in the dining room and needs a steady, unmoving walker to get up from a chair. Her favorite part is the seat that lifts up and she can store her purse underneath it. When I take her for an outing, the walker folds up with a simple lift below the seat. It unfolds immediately when you put the wheels onto the ground. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.